Chase has an account tier that never shows up when you log into your app. You only get invited into it once your balance secretly crosses $150,000. It's called Chase Private Client, and most people who qualify never even know the door exists. There's no pop-up, no email alert, no button that says apply here. The bank simply waits to see if you notice. JP Morgan Chase quietly rolled out Private Client back in 2011 as a middle tier between regular checking and full private banking for millionaires. Cross that $150,000 mark across your linked checking, savings, and investment accounts, and you unlock waived monthly fees, a dedicated personal banker, and discounted rates on mortgages and lines of credit. Other banks run the same playbook. Bank of America's Preferred Rewards Platinum Honors kicks in around $100,000, and Wells Fargo's Private Bank starts near $1 million. Every one of them is built the same way. Invite only, never advertised on the homepage. We post one of these every day, so subscribe now, because the next hidden threshold might already be sitting in your own account. Here's the part that stings. Banks don't proactively notify you when your balance crosses the line. A teller isn't required to flag it, the app doesn't ping you, and unless you happen to ask, you can sit at $160,000 in basic checking paying $12 a month in fees for years. The invitation exists. Nobody hands it to you. Here's the twist most people miss. The threshold isn't just your checking balance, it's every linked account combined. Checking, savings, CDs, even a brokerage account if it's tied to the same login. So if you split your money across 3 different banks to diversify, each one sees a smaller number and none of them ever flags you. Spreading your cash out can be exactly what keeps you invisible to the tier that would waive your fees. Comment below if you've never heard of Private Client before today, because most people haven't. The real reason the invite gets missed even more often is that the flag isn't automatic. A human banker has to log into the back-end system, notice your combined balance, and manually push the invitation through. Smaller branches often don't even have a private client banker on staff, which means your balance can cross $150,000 at your local branch and simply never generate the alert. So the account that could be quietly saving you hundreds of dollars a year in fees isn't something you wait for. It's something you ask for by name. Call your bank, say the words Private Client or Preferred Rewards, and ask if your combined balance already qualifies today. Hit the bell so tomorrow's hidden threshold lands in your feed too.